In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Writer Chrome extension to draft and send better email replies. We'll go through the full process from opening the extension to sending a polished response, and I'll explain what to look out for along the way so the final email sounds clear, natural, and accurate. To begin, install the ChatGPT Writer Chrome extension in your browser. Make sure the installation is complete and that the extension is available in your Chrome toolbar so you can access it easily when you need it. If you use email often, keeping it pinned can save time and make the workflow smoother. Once that's ready, open Gmail or whichever email platform you normally use. This tool works best when you already have the message in front of you because that gives you the context you need to create a relevant reply. Go to your inbox and open the email you want to respond to. Next, click the extension button. This opens the writing assistant so you can start generating a response based on the message you received. At this stage, the goal is not just to get a fast reply, but to get a useful draft that matches the tone and purpose of the conversation. Now enter the key points you want to include in the reply. Keep your instructions simple and specific. For example, you might mention that you want to confirm receipt, answer a question, clarify a timeline, or politely decline something. The better your key points are, the more accurate and helpful the generated reply will be. After that, generate the email reply. The extension will create a draft for you based on the information you provided. This is a great time saver, especially if you want a professional starting point without writing everything from scratch. Once the draft appears, edit the wording so it sounds natural. This step is important because even a strong AI-generated reply should still sound like you. Adjust the tone, simplify anything that feels too formal, and make sure the message fits the relationship you have with the person receiving it. Finally, send the reply only after checking names, dates, and details carefully. This last review helps you avoid small mistakes that can make an email feel careless or confusing. A quick final read can make a big difference in professionalism and clarity. That's the full process for using the ChatGPT Writer Chrome extension to respond to emails more efficiently, while still keeping your replies personal and accurate.